Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on our channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can find out which applications on your iPhone are running in the background. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments under this video. And let's get started. And I'll tell you right away that it's actually very easy to find out. You just have to swipe from the bottom to the top. And that will take you to the list of applications that you have running in the background. And if you swipe down like this, you can see the whole list. At the top are the names of these applications, as you can see. And let's say that in order to close these applications, you just have to swipe up one of the applications from the bottom like this. That swipe will close the app and it won't work anymore. You can also use, let's say, 2 fingers at once and swipe up with 2 fingers. Or you can use 3 fingers to swipe up. You can also switch between apps like this. For example, I have Pinterest open, and if I swipe up from the bottom, I can switch from Pinterest to Instagram and then on to some other app, like Facebook. That's how you can easily find out which apps are running in the background on your iPhone, friends. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Friends, please write your comments, give your likes, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.